nothing is different from what we're doing before to what we're doing now. I don't care what the interest rates are doing. You make the offer that works for you, and then you move on. You know, we're out there competing against other buyers, but we're also competing against other investments. And our investors' dollars still need to get a particular return. Otherwise, we're just, the price is too high and we just can't buy the property. That's not our fault. So one of the things is you just let the seller come to a realization that you just can't do the deal. Make the offer and move on. And it goes back, I say this more and more because I think it was absolutely brilliant, Paul Moore's statement that as real estate investors, we don't care what the market is doing. Now that sounds like it's contrarian. It really isn't. We don't care what the market is doing. We are investors. We look for value. Warren Buffett, all he does is look for value. Don't just do it to get into a deal. You look for value. Our job as successful owner operators is to unleash that value and realize it. We don't care what happens about the interest rates because of the power of the cap rate. If we can unleash $1 of new NOI on a property, annual NOI of $1 on a 4-cap property, we have just created $25 of new equity to our name. Who cares what the interest rate is doing? The interest rate can never top that. So you always have to remember that you're an investor first. You've got to find the value, unleash the value. Who cares what the interest rates are going to do?